Howdy y'all, welcome to Texas Made Windows & More. Today we're fixing to show you why vinyl windows might just be the best upgrade for your home, whether you're in San Antonio or Corpus Christi. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are vinyl windows? Well, let me tell you, vinyl windows are all about the frame. They're made from a tough and versatile material called polyvinyl chloride, PVC, if you're looking for the fancy term. It's as strong as a Texas oak and just as reliable. Vinyl windows bring a heap of benefits to the table. Let's break it down, Texas style, and let's see why they might just be right for your home. First up, these windows won't break the bank. Vinyl windows are some of the most cost-effective options out there, giving you top-notch quality without the hefty price tag. These windows are as low maintenance as they come. No need to fuss over scratches, dents, or fading. They keep looking good with barely any upkeep. Vinyl windows can be tailored to fit your home just the way you like it. Whether you want a classic look or something with a little bit more flair, the options are endless. Need a little peace and quiet? Vinyl windows do a fine job of keeping the noise outside where it belongs, so you can enjoy some southern serenity. Worried about the Texas sun beating down on your windows? No sweat. Vinyl windows are built to handle the heat, standing strong without warping or fading. But wait, there's more. Vinyl windows have even more tricks up their sleeve. These windows are mighty good at keeping your home comfy no matter the weather. They help lower your energy bills by keeping that cool air inside where it belongs. If you're looking to go green, vinyl's the way to go. Many vinyl windows are recyclable and designed to be easy on the environment. Vinyl windows can really spruce up your home's look. With a fresh, modern style, they're sure to turn heads and boost your curb appeal. Now we gotta be straight with y'all, no window is perfect. Some folks prefer the classic charm of wood windows, and vinyl might not tick that box for everyone. But when you consider the cost, durability, and ease of maintenance, vinyl windows come out looking pretty darn good. Upgrading your windows is a big decision, but vinyl windows offer a perfect mix of affordability, durability, and style. If you're ready to give your home a fresh new look, Texas Made Windows & More is here to help. So let's get your home looking its best. Y'all can visit our website or give us a holler to learn more about how vinyl windows can work wonders for your home. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.